Alrighty, let's just quickly go through this homework, and we're doing these addition strategies. I've added one step to this where I want you to think about your strategy, and are you doing a multiple of 10 or a multiple of 100 or a multiple of 25, or are you just using place value like partial sum style? So don't just go through like a robot and do each one. Think about the best method to use for each of these. Okay, so for example, I see both of these numbers. Well, first of all, my estimate is going to be 120 because 56 round and 61 both round to 60. But for my method, I'm going to go with multiples of 25 because these are both a little bit more than 50. So I'm breaking this one to 50 and 6, or decomposing it. This one's going to be 50 and 11. Then I've got my 100, and I have 17 there, and the answer is 117. Over here for this next one, my quick estimate is going to be 90, 30, and 60. And I'm going to go with a multiple of 10 here, because 29 is close to 30, so I'm going to break 62 into 1 and 61. Then I've got my 30 there, and 30 and 61 is 91. That is done. Okay, over here, 99 is very close to 100. First of all, my estimate is 140. 99 is super close to 100, so I'm going to use a multiple of 100, and I'm going to break 43 into 1 and 42. Then I've got my 100, and I've got 142. Done. And then this one, the way I'm seeing it, these are both close to multiples of 25. So if I broke that one into 25 and something, and this one into 75 and something, then I'll be able to get 100, and whatever's left is left. And let's see, I'm not going to do all of these. You can do some of them on your own, but like here, I would go for a multiple of 100. I would take 3 away from this. Then I've got my 400, and so on. Just one other thing, the PV means place value. Really, most of these you shouldn't need to do that, but if you really don't know how else to do it, you could just do place value. So that would look like simply just breaking it into place value. 227, 176, and then you can have 300 there, just like partial sums. But really, I would recommend you try to go for these other 3 methods where you're looking for a multiple of 10, multiple of 100, or multiple of 25. So that is all for this one. Thank you, and